Hello people with the spirit of learning. So this is the sample design that we're gonna use in this tutorial. So I provide one single screen here, and if you need this kind of asset you can check in the description below. Okay, but first thing first, I want to make it a little bigger, I guess like 230, and give the margin about 40. Okay, we're going to group it and then just like this. Okay, cool, right? So first thing first, if you are designer and you are new in the Flutter development, so let's say you already have one fresh project here and you do have this library, you got this one single main.dart, and this is your emulator, right? So before we head jump to this Flutter project, we need to prepare the assets. Okay, so what kind of assets? The asset that we call is this illustration, this kind of style, the color, and everything that available in the design. Okay, so let's get started. We select this illustration, and then you see this is the 4x. Oh yeah, I'm using this figma.com, and then just export this image. And after that you can go to the Visual Studio Code here, and we create new folder. We call it assets, right? So inside of this asset we do have our images or illustration. Okay, I'm going with the illustration, and then you can refill in Finder and put this illustration just right here. Okay, and then you open PubSpec. We need to activate this asset first, right here. So select all of those lines and then uncomment. Okay, we do only have one image, so we provide here assets, illustrations, and order illustration, and you can do save your project, and it will automatically open the output that gonna check your project. If there is nothing wrong, it will be like this. Okay, so next we need to go to debug and then start debugging, but make sure that you already sorry, I shouldn't open this. Just go to main.dart and start debugging, and then I'm going with this Pixel 2 API 24. Okay, this is my emulator. So you need to find and you need to run your own emulator in your machine. Okay folks, so this is the sample project from Flutter. So what we're gonna do, we just need to remove all of this. Okay, I'm going to remove this, everything here that you can remove. Okay, let me just copy these lines and then remove. So we need to make my app here. Okay, and then after that we're going to use image that we just export previously into our project. So right here we need to create new folder, pages, and then inside of the pages we do have the success. Okay, .dart. Okay, just like that, and then we need to import the material dart. Okay, and we need to success page. Okay, like this. So after that we need to set the home, which is success page. Okay, just like this. and then we can take a look here. It's still black because we haven't set up the design yet in the success page. Okay, so right here we give the scaffold, and then you give the save area, and we need to provide child, which is a column, and the children. Maybe right here we just go with text first, right? Like order your food. Okay, now the reason why I'm using this save area, because you know, if we don't use this save area, it will destroy your status bar. Okay, kidding. So let's give it a try to load this image. Okay, we're going to use this image into our project. So just provide here image assets, and then you give the assets here. Okay, illustrations, and then order illustrations.png, and boom. Okay, and the way you need to resize the dimension, you just need to setting width here. Oops, sorry, not right here. Okay, so we just put comma here as the separator, and for the width about 230, and then height, let's say 202. We're going to save it and preview, and boom. So this is the asset that we need in the project. So congratulations, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.